You will explore new ways of delivering your music, incorporating the latest computer-based performance technologies and gain in-depth technical knowledge. As well as this, you'll develop creative and critical thinking, giving you the freedom to define your sound, while studying with a diverse community of electronic sound designers, composers, producers, and performers. To prepare you for a career within the music industry, you will focus on current revenue streams and contemporary developments in this area, along with idea generation, workflow, and project management skills which will enable you to be productive within your skill set. This postgraduate course pushes you into unexplored territory and as a result can lead to a range of professional pathways. With such a strong industry focus, many of our students pursue entrepreneurial careers, whether this is a record label, audio plugin developer, or freelance producer. The potential is not limited to within those fields though, and depending on the project, students may venture into music therapy, sound art, or game audio amongst other areas of the music and sound industry.